Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Set connection and sharing. Go down. Set reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Here you can see this operation would reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. Tap on OK. Done. Network settings have been reset. Go back to settings, set Wi-Fi. Here you can see available networks. From this list we need to select Wi-Fi network, enter Wi-Fi password here, tap on connect. Done. Connected. Tap here. Here we can see connection status connected, connection speed and signal strength excellent. This way we can reset network settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.